we're going to learn one of the most essential parts in jewelry making, how to make an attachment bar. So down here on the table I have my wire. I'm going to use the firm wire because we're going to want to keep this in place, although you can use any type of wire to make these attachment bars depending on the type of bracelet, necklace, or earrings that you're making. You're going to start by making a loop at the very end, grabbing your wire with your pliers and making that loop that connects with the wire. But instead of making it so the loop is straight right here at the bottom, you're going to want to straighten it out so the bar is actually centered. Something like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I made this a little longer than I had anticipated, so I'm going to go ahead and snip off the bottom of this, like so, with my all-in-one pliers. And you can, I'm just going to make a plain bar, so we're not going to put anything on it. I'm going to twist in the opposite direction and then also make sure to face this right in the middle. So I have a flat bar that has loops or hoops on either side. And that's how you make a flat barred attachment piece.